Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download Telegram private videos. Downloading private videos from Telegram usually isn't possible with the default download option. This is especially true when videos are restricted or not directly downloadable. In these cases, a Telegram video downloader Chrome extension can help. As you can see, I'm in this channel, and this is a private video that I just uploaded for the sake of this video. As you can see, this is a private channel, and you cannot download the video directly. But here is a workaround. Just go to Chrome and search for the Chrome Web Store. Search for Telegram Private Video Downloader. Make sure you are using this particular extension. Just add it to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension. After the extension is added, Telegram will be automatically updated. Make sure to pin it by going to your extensions and clicking the pin icon. Then click on the Telegram webpage that opens automatically. Go to the channel. You will see a new option called Download Video. The video will be downloaded directly when you click on Save. And that sets it. We just learned how to download Telegram private videos using a Chrome extension through Telegram Web. You can save the video directly to your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.